In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the CNAME and host settings in Hostgator. These adjustments are important when you need to redirect parts of your domain, connect external services, or point specific URLs to another destination. Even if you're new to DNS management, don't worry. I'll guide you step by step so you can follow along easily and make these changes with confidence. To get started, open your web browser and head over to the Hostgator website. When the home page loads, look toward the top right corner and click the Sign In button. Enter your login details and proceed to your main dashboard. Once you're inside, look for the website section. This is the area where you'll make most domain-related adjustments. Click on Website and then go to the Settings option. Hostgator structures things clearly, so moving through each menu should feel simple. Inside the Settings page, you'll find an option labeled Advanced. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to a deeper set of hosting controls where DNS management becomes accessible. Next, click on Manage. This ensures you have the correct access to modify your domain's technical settings. After that, select Domains. This section holds all the DNS tools you need to update records for your website. Take your time here and make sure you're working with the correct domain, especially if you have multiple sites linked to the same account. Now, look for the Zone Editor. The Zone Editor is the central place where you can edit DNS records, including A records, TXT records, and of course, Cname records. Once inside, locate the CNAME option and click on it. This is where you can add a new CNAME record or update an existing one depending on your goal. A Cname record is used to create an alias, meaning you can point one name to another domain without using an IP address. This is commonly used for services such as mail verification, website builders, or connecting apps and platforms. When you add or modify the CNAME record, you'll typically need to fill in the hostname field and the value or target field. The hostname is the part you want to redirect, while the value is the destination you want it to point to. Always double check the spelling of both fields before saving, because even a small mistake can cause your domain or service to stop working temporarily. Once everything looks correct, click Save to apply the changes. Keep in mind that DNS updates can take some time to fully propagate across the internet. In most cases, it happens quickly, but in some situations, it may take up to a few hours. And there you go. You now know how to change the CNAME and host settings in Hostgator. At first, it may feel a bit technical, but once you understand where everything is located, the process becomes much easier. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, feel free to explore more of my guides to help you manage your online projects with confidence.